Now, the fifth way you can get paid, as you can see, is our referred group travel. This is where you'll have the opportunity to get paid on travel groups. Now, remember what we said here. You are not booking travel, but let's say someone calls you and they say, I have a group that I want booked. Can you book it? Well, the answer is no, but you can get paid on it. You'll have the ability to be able to refer this travel to a company that we work in conjunction with. They will book the travel for you. Then the commission will come back to our company, TRVL, and you will receive 80% of that commission just for referring it. So this is an amazing stream of income, whereas you're able to get paid a passive stream just by referring travel to the company. So this is our fifth way in order to be able to earn money, our referred group travel.